Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the two apps. Open Netflix in the browser or app, then open Discord. Once done, make sure hardware acceleration is enabled in your browser or the Discord app, because that allows video to be captured correctly. You should also close other heavy programs to avoid encoding drops. Next, set Discord to windowed or borderless for the game or browser window you'll share. This prevents black screens when capturing protected content and keeps frame rate stable. You now configure Discord's share options explicitly. Click Share Your Screen, pick the exact browser tab or the Netflix app window, and choose to include system audio so viewers hear the movie. Then select Resolution and FPS. Choose 720p at 30 FPS for stable streams or 1080p at 3060 FPS if your connection and Nitro allow it. Make sure the correct audio device is selected in both Discord and system sound settings. Because mismatched devices, you finish by starting the Netflix playback after screen sharing is active. Do not start the movie before sharing finishes because DRM can block capture. If viewers get a black screen, first disable hardware acceleration in your browser or Discord and restart the app. That resolves many black screen cases. If problems persist, switch to the native Netflix app or another browser, check DRM and VPN settings, and verify system audio is routed to the device Discord is using so sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.